Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you are fine with the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to Ariful School, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National English Mission School, Morningshed. Today, I am going to conduct an English class for class junior 1 students. Our today's topic: fill in the blanks 6 to 10 suitably. So let's see, my dear students, our today's class. Today's class, Junior 1, Subject English, Topic Fill in the blanks 6 to 10, Lecture 11, SW, no SW today. Teacher Ariful Islam, this is my mobile number, messenger ID and today's date. So let's start our class. So you can see question number 4, fill in the blanks 6 to 10. We will do today fill in the blank 6 to 10. So number 6, Pat and will dash. So where we will find the answer? You can see this is your book, this is the Radiant Way first step book, and you will go to this page number 10. You can see there's a line, Pat and will dance. So Pat and will dance. Which word is missing? The word dance is missing in this sentence. So you have to write dance. So Pat and will, our answer will be dance. The spelling of dance is D-A-N-C-E. Dance. So Pat and will dance. Next one. Number 7. Samir is a dash. Samir is a dash. So where we will find the answer? So this is your buzzword book, Success with Buzzword, New Success with Buzzword, Primer 2, and you will go to page number 24. You can see you are Mr. Samir and you are a postman. You can see the khaki dress of the postman. So Mr. Samir is a postman. Okay, so our answer will be number 7, Samir is a postman. Spelling P-O-S-T, post, man, M-A-N, postman. So Samir is a postman. Let's go to question number 8. Mr. Sohan Lal is a dash. Mr. Sohan Lal is a dash. So where we will find the answer? Let's go to this book, page number 25. You can see this is Mr. Sohan Lal. So this is Mr. Sohan Lal and he is a farmer. So Mr. Sohan Lal is a farmer. This is Mr. Sohan Lal and he is a farmer. He is a farmer. So Mr. Sohan Lal is a farmer. Farmer, F-A-R, far, M-E-R. According to the British pronunciation, they don't pronounce R in this case. This one and these ones. The spelled pronunciation will be farmer. Mr. Sohan Lal is a farmer. So let's go to question number 9. Mother had a dash. Mother had a dash. So where we will find the answer? You'll go to again the Radiant Way book, page number 11. You can see mother had a hat. This is the mother, and mother had a hat. Hat means cap. So mother had a hat. The word hat is missing here. Okay, so we have to write the word mother had a hat. S-A-T, hat. Our answer will be S-A-T, hat. Let's go to number 10. Pat has a dash. So I have taken this question, this book, page number 13. You can see in the book Pat has a caught. Caught means a large sea fish. You can see in the picture Pat has a large sea fish in his hand. So Pat has a caught. Which word missing? Caught is missing here. So Pat has a, our answer will be caught, C-O-D, caught. Okay, let's read again. So number 4, fill in the blank 6 to 10. Number 6, Pat and Ann will dance. D-A-N-C spelling. Number 7, Samir is a postman. P-O-S-T-M-A-N, postman. Mr. Sohan Lal is a farmer. F-A-R-M-E-R. Number 9, mother had a dash. Mother had a hat. H-A-T. Number 10, Pat has a cod. C-O-D. Cod means a large sea fish. We're reading for the last time. Number 4, fill in the blank 6 to 10. Pat and Ann will dance. Samir is a postman. Mr. Sohan Lal is a farmer. Number 9, mother had a hat. Number 10, Pat has a cod. So my dear students, we don't have any SW today. Okay, so my dear students, thanks for watching this class. Keep practicing at home. Avoid bad parents. Stay safe, stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.